Now that we've got a report uploaded into the Power BI service, I can use the content in this report to start building more dashboards. The process that we do that is called pinning. And all I need to do, if I'm interested in one of these visuals, to pin it to a dashboard, I hover over that and click this Pin Visual button. I'll get given an option to either pin this to an existing dashboard or to create a new one. In this case, I'm actually going to create something new, and I'll have to give it a name. I get a notification to tell me that it's been pinned to the dashboard, and over on the left-hand side I can see that dashboard that was created. When I click this, it takes me through and I can see that visual here on the dashboard too. The great thing about these dashboards is it allows you to pin visuals from a whole bunch of different reports. It could be made from different data sets, it could be bringing things from your on-premises data, or from third-party software as a service applications. So let's go add a few more things. I'll go back to that report. And just as an example, I'm going to go to one of the other pages in this report and pin something from here as well. Let's take this map. Pin that. I'm going to choose that existing Van Haasdal products dashboard. And let's come to our US product sales. And let's take this pie chart. If I go back to the dashboard, you can now see I've got all three of those visualizations here. If I want to make changes to this dashboard, I can do things like resizing or moving these tiles, as we call them, around to personalize this dashboard to make it look exactly how I want. And again, this is really important if you've got things coming from different data sources. Maybe you want to align them so that they're all grouped together to easily be able to see how that data relates to each other and to the different data sources. I can even do things like pinning images that were in these reports. So we had a logo here. Why don't I pin that one, send it to the same dashboard, and you can see I get that image too. Let's put that at the top as a logo. I could also make changes to these dashboards by doing things like editing this to change the title, or changing the subtitle, or even removing that if I didn't want it. As you saw earlier on, clicking on one of these tiles takes you back to the report where that visual was pinned from. I can also change where that link takes me by choosing to set a custom link. So I could have this as a tile that took me to another application within my organization, to a page on our public website, absolutely anywhere that starts with a HTTP or HTTPS URL. I'm not going to change that yet. I'm going to come back here to the dashboard. Finally, I can also pin these to other dashboards. If I've created a dashboard and say, actually, maybe I want to have a summary dashboard that has different content from many different places, I can again pin this and I get the same question. Do I want to pin this to another dashboard or to a new one? I'm going to leave it here at the moment. So that's a simple overview just of how you can take content from reports and pin them onto dashboards as well. And then how you can manipulate and edit those things once they're there on the dashboard.